down, sweet bird, and soothe my care. Thy tuneful notes will hush despair. Thy plaintive warblings, void of art, thrill sweetly through my aching heart. Go choose thy mate and fondly love, and all thy charming transport prove, while I, a lovelorn exile, live, nor transport, nor receive or give, nor transport, nor receive or give. For thee is laughing nature gay, for thee she pours the vernal day. For me in vain is nature dressed, while joy's a stranger to my breast. Those sweet emotions all enjoy, let love and song thy hours employ. Go on, sweet bird, and soothe my care. Thy tuneful notes will hush despair. Thy tuneful notes will hush despair.